Hello, students. Here I am again with you. My name is Laura Antunes. I'm your virtual content specialist for multilingual students. And today, in partnership, as always, with the Division of Multilingual Learners, I'm bringing you Mission 6 from the NOVA Evolution Virtual Lab. And this lesson belongs to Unit 7, Day 6, using cladograms and dichotomous keys to explore shared direct features in living species. Let's begin. Before we start our last mission, mission 6, you evolved, we are going to read the instructions. Number 1, click the play button in the mission 6 you evolved to open your 6th and final mission. Click on the embedded videos in the upper left corner to watch a video that provides some context on our species' place on the evolutionary tree of life. Number 3, follow directions to complete the trees in this mission. Planet of the Apes, Back to School, Inside Out of Africa. Important, you will need to use the DNA helix symbol in the bottom right corner to see the species DNA sequences. As you complete each tree, answer the corresponding questions in the Mission 6 You Evolved 2 section of your student worksheet. Follow your teacher's instructions for what to do once you have completed your virtual lab worksheets. Are you ready? Because we're going to start mission number 6, part 1, Planet of the Apes, now. Okay, as always, we place the organisms in the black square and then we go to the DNA data table. We also log into the magnifier to learn more about these organisms. All this information is going to help you finish your cladogram. As we can see, all of the animals that are present right here have a T in position 10. So I'm sure that's going to be the further ancestor. Also, we can see that they all have a T in position 7, except for humans. We can also see how humans are the only ones that have an A in position 8. Okay, it seems that human has 4 lights and gorilla and chimp only have 3. Let's see more differences. Humans and chimpanzees have a G in position 3, but that's not even in there. Another thing that we can observe from the diagram is that gorilla and orangutan have a T in position 13. And chimpanzee and human have a G in position 13. Chimpanzee and human have a G in position 13. Whereas there 3 of them have a G, chimpanzee, gorilla, and human have a G in position 17. Perfect. And we're missing 1 light right here. So gorilla actually has a T, is the only one that has a T in position 3. And now our diagram, our cladogram should be fine. Based on this tree, who's your closest living relative? Did you know chimp is your closest living relative? Now you know. Okay, let's go to part number 2 that is going to be based on skulls. Skulls give us a lot of information and we are going to find out some of that information by arranging the skulls that belong or are closely related to our species. Okay, we are looking through the magnifier, and this time we don't have the DNA sequence, but we have all the information that is related to our ancestors. More vertical faces. Oh, they don't. Okay, more vertical face. Oh, so therefore came before the facing the more vertical face. So canine teeth were first. And then it came the more vertical face that apparencies doesn't have. Let's place it sapiens and Neanderthals have a large brain case, and Erectus has a mid-sized brain case, and chimps have large sharp fins. Okay, excellent. Which of the following can be inferred from the tree? The closest living relative to Homo sapiens is Homo erectus, which is not true because the closest one is Homo neanderthalis. Homo erectus is more closely related to Neanderthalis than Homo sapiens. Not true. Afferents is more closely related to living chimps than to living humans. Not true. Are a trait that separate the genus Homo from their closest relatives. That's true. Larger brains are a trait that separate the genus Homo from their closest relatives. Let's look at that right answer. All right, let's go with the last part of mission number 5. In this part right here, we are going to place this type of DNA. And we are going to see what happens. It seems that all the different ethnic groups right here have a G on position number 6. So that must be the farthest common ancestor. Okay. Also, it seems that Koshan that only has one light is spread up before the other ones. So it seems that all of them have a T in position 16 except for Koshan. Position 16. That must be the other farther ancestor. It also seems that looking at the DNA chart that we have right here, it seems that Italian and Papua New Guinean have two seeds that have a C on position 12, whereas Dinka and Yoruba have a G in position 12. So C on position 12 seems to be only available for Italian and Papua New Guinea. It also seems that only Italian have a G on position number 7. I'm sorry, it seems that only Italians have a G on position number 8. So this is only a characteristic of Italians. Let's now look at A. A in position 1 is only available for Papua New Guinea. A in position number 1, I'm sorry. And it also seems that A in position number 21 is only available for Yoruba. Okay, so we're down to 2 different nucleotides. C in position 11 seems to be only available for Dinka. And C in position 13, it seems to be available for Yoruba and Dinka. So Yoruba and Dinka must be closely related. All right, let's see if our tree is correct. And it seems that our cladogram is perfect. With which archaic human species did some of the ancestors of modern Europeans interbreed during the past 100,000 years? Well, I know because I read that before for you that it was the Neanderthal. Spot on. Most Europeans today have some Neanderthal DNA in their genomes. Okay, and we completed mission 6. Bravo, you finished the final puzzle, but the investigation doesn't have to end here. Visit Deep Tree to see the evolutionary relationships between over 70,000 species. If you are curious about this, you can still stay on this website and keep investigating. But my video for you has finished. It was a pleasure to be with you today. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.